Imagine Earth decimated, essential food crops wiped out by catastrophe. It is here, buried deep in an Arctic mountain, where the seeds for humanity's survival are stored. But it wasn't an environmental disaster that caused the first mass withdrawal from the so-called doomsday seed vault. It was war. The war in Syria. Cut off from its vault and battle-torn Aleppo, ICARDA, the International Center for Agricultural Research in the Dry Areas, requested a portion of the seeds it deposited back.
This is where we are storing the seeds, the first shipment of seed that came from Sabilbar.
Now based in Lebanon, ICARDA Director General Mahmoud As-Solh has the challenging job of keeping precious genetic lines alive. This is a wild relative of wheat that likely doesn't exist in nature anymore.
Why is what I'm holding in my hand so important?
This is a source of desirable trait, including drought tolerance, including heat tolerance, including resistance to diseases and so forth.
But it's not just the wild strains. It's other crops, like these fava seeds that have been grown by farmers over hundreds of years.
This seed contains traits that might end up being necessary for the survival of the species, and we just don't know it yet.
Exactly.
The seeds, with traits potentially vital to help us adapt to climate change, will be replanted in Lebanon, just across the border from Syria. Another vault built to replace the one in Aleppo, lost to war, and a parallel project in Morocco. Crop diversity is a prerequisite for food security, and experts say our past is fundamental to our future survival. But war has meant that humanity has had to activate its backup plan sooner than anyone ever anticipated. Arwa Damon, CNN, the Bekaa Valley, Lebanon.